What's a creepy fact you wish you never learned? 1. Dead bodies moan and grunt when you move them. I was a paramedic and firefighter for 21 years. I was around a lot of dead people. 2. A non-zero number of farmers go missing yearly from pigs. They will eat just about anything. 3. The inside of a sea turtle's mouth looks like something straight out of a horror movie monster. Absolutely covered in spines. They swallow a lot of seawater when eating food, which they then vomit back out. The spines keep the food in but let the water out. 4. That there is literally nowhere in your house that you can store your toothbrush without it getting fecal matter on it. Thanks, Mythbusters. 5. Sometimes when you have a sharp pain in your chest like a lung area when breathing in, it could be there's not enough fluid around the lung and it got stuck to a rib, or your diaphragm isn't in the correct place. 6. Chainsaw was invented by 2 doctors to assist in childbirth. Sawing through pelvic bone gives a mother and the baby some chance of survival if the baby is too big. Yay. 7. Loa loa, the African eye worm, can